Oh my god, my face is literally glowing.
And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas.
Hey guys, so I just got done getting my wax and I'm ready to do my makeup. Please don't mind this in the back. We're getting ready for our pop-up, which is tonight at a Christmas party. So, of course, you guys are coming with me. So, I'm about to start off with a face mask. And this is from Lancome. I love this face mask. I love face masks, period. I haven't tried this one personally, but I'm about to try it out now. So, oh, look how it looks when you open it. Oh, wow. 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 This is really silicone-y. Like, it's hard to explain, but it's really, this material is amazing. I mean, like that. Oh my god. Lancome, you. This is amazing. So I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my mask. Oh my god, my face is literally glowing. And I like to put the excess. I like to just wipe my neck with the rest of it. I can't speak. I'm sorry, guys. This is amazing. Great. So I'm gonna let this set, and then I'm gonna have to start with this makeup. So my moisturizer that I'm gonna be using, this is Pods. I like this one. I get these from Target. So I don't have time to let this set because I am running late like always. And I still haven't picked out the outfits I'm going to bring, but it's gonna be okay. Roll this in. I like to use the Too Faced lip injection. It makes your lips all plump and so cute. So when you use the lip injection, you want to, that's the name of it, you want to go over your lip line. So I did my brows and I filled in the brows and I put a base on, and I'm at the continue from there. So today's look, I'm gonna be really simple. It's gonna be a real simple look. I don't have that much time to do what I wanted to do initially. So I wanted to talk about something that recently happened. It was 2 incidents, but I'm gonna talk about this one first because it's really bearing on me. So, if you guys don't know, me and my mom have our own business called Boudreaux Boutique, and we're only online and we cater to all sizes. So a couple of days ago, I put a post up on Instagram, and if you guys are not following us, I put our Instagram links right here. So I put a post up talking about how we need a brand ambassador for our clothes. Some people responded, some people want to do it, some people declined after I told them like our requirements. It's not even that many requirements, but anyway. And one girl responds to me and said, all I want is money. Now, is nothing wrong if that's your intention, you know, you trying to make it out here. There's nothing wrong with wanting money, but all I'm saying is you can lose an opportunity if that's your main focus. Like if you're trying to be a model or actress and you use the social media to help build, it's okay doing something for free. I don't mind giving someone money, but since we're a new business, I don't want to give out a lot of money for promotions. And we just use social media, of course, because it's free, but that's my philosophy. That's is how I feel like it should go. So I'm not like and when I mean by you gonna miss an opportunity, Charlmagne Tha God, I like to listen to him sometimes. And he said that he worked for free for about a year. And from that, he gained so much experience. And now look at him now. So that's a prime example. Always wanting money. It can also hurt you in the long run. And like, if you help in a small business like us, you can learn so much from us because we're slowly building. And compared to if you're working for like a Fashion Nova or a business that already made it and you're working for them, you're not going to be able to learn as much than if you're not working with someone who, like us, a small business. But I have nothing but love for her. I didn't even respond to her message. I didn't even respond because I'm like, I don't want to work with people like that. This is how she said it, I guess. You know, I just felt some type of way. So, yeah. I wanted to make an announcement about that. Well, I wanted to address that. And something else happened too on social media. It's this YouTuber. He's a small YouTuber, but he made his threshold. Like he made his goal already of 400,000 watch hours, whatever. Right? You know how YouTube changed their policy. So he was using this app that I see a lot of YouTubers use, and I asked him a question. I asked him like, "What's the app?" And his response was, "Figure out yourself. Have a good day." And I thought he was joking with me, but he was really serious. And that was out of line. I would never respond to someone like that. It's someone who's a small business, small YouTuber, and they ask me a question. I would never do that. I would never respond to someone like that. And it's like, I'm not understanding. This world is so big and there's so much opportunities out here, and there's enough money for all of us to get rich. So I don't understand why he couldn't help a fellow YouTuber who was trying to make it. But you know, a lot of people are not cut from the same cloth, so I can't expect anything from people. So all I'm saying is, you guys, if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me. I would not respond like that. That was not cool, and I'm still upset about it. And this eyelash is not working. I had to use this white glue today because I don't know what the black one is, and I don't like the white glue, but we gotta do what we have to do. Okay, this is not working. I have to say focus. Alright, so now that that's all out the way, me and my mom are about to do a pop-up tonight at a Christmas party. We're not gonna bring a lot of clothes because it's gonna be a small event. Oh my god, this eyelash. Okay, while I'm focusing on this eyelash, have you guys subscribed yet to my channel? My channel is mainly about entrepreneur life, beauty, fitness, lifestyle. So you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, hold on. I think it's good enough. Oh, it took me forever just to do that one lash. Okay, I'm about to do the other one off camera because I can't focus. And yeah, okay. I'm going to I'm really struggling, guys. Great. Okay, I'm going to see you guys in a minute. Let me just focus on this eyelashes. So I was going to do a talk through video about this whole entire look, but of course I'm in the rush so I'm not gonna be able to talk through it. So I'm about to just speed everything up and then share you with you what I'm getting, because I don't have enough time. It's gonna be a pop-up at a Christmas party. I just brought our new arrivals, and guys, our clothes is so poppin'. And this is my outfit for today. The hat.
Oh, well, hello for those shoes.
I see some Hi.